Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. This product is linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. Here's a look at our J15 Pro Ultra within the Eureka app. We're going to select the button front and center that says Enter. And from here, we have our main map. And on the right-hand side, we have our map tools. That's where we're going to start to see our map settings. So we have two tabs here, map tools and map display. Looking at map display, we can do a 2D or 3D view. We can rotate the map, and then we can display things like furniture, floor materials, obstacles, and room name. We can toggle those on or off as we see fit. So that's our map display options. Then looking at the map tools tab, we can select our map right here. Currently we have map 1, but we can go to map 2 and we can create multiple maps here. But you can select your map, and then we can back up, restore, rename, or delete that map. Then below that, we have our region settings here. So basically, we can add virtual walls and barriers, no-go zones, or no mop zones. We can also add thresholds. Everything is drag and drop and highly customizable, and you can add multiples of each. And if you want to learn more about these settings, up at the top, at the center, there's a little question mark next to the no-go setting, and it walks you through virtual wall settings. Next, the no-go zones, and the no mop zones, and threshold. So all of that right there you can read more about. Then we have our room management. This is pretty simple and straightforward. We can merge rooms, we can divide rooms, rename rooms, and we can adjust our cleaning order on our map. Then we have our floor material. You can customize the floor material here. So you can choose floor, ceramic tile, or others. And then we have floor tile and carpet editing. So pick and choose which one you want to do right there. So we could add like a floor mat for carpet. If it missed something on the map, you get the idea. And then we have furniture editing. For those of you that like to build out your map in a lot of detail, you can add furniture as you see fit. No practical use besides for your own enjoyment from what we've seen. It doesn't help the vacuum or supplement it in any way. Moving along, we got 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. We're going to select that. Third option down is map management. Here is that setting again where we can edit our map or change maps or create a new map. And if you create a new map, you can just do a quick mapping or cleaning and mapping, up to you. But you have both those options there if you want to make a new map. And then back on our main screen right here with our current map, down at the bottom, we have different cleaning tabs. So we can use our map to do room cleans, a full clean, or zone cleaning where we can add up to 5 zones at any given time, and we can clean each of those zones up to 3 times. So that's pretty neat there with the map that we have. And you'll notice left-hand corner at the bottom, vacuum and mop is what we currently have selected. There's a customize option. So on our map, we can actually edit each room and how it's customized for cleaning preferences. So we could tailor different cleaning options. So say our kitchen is really dirty. We want to increase the suction power or the mop wetness, if that's the right word. We can build that out right there. So that's pretty neat. There's a look at our current settings, and we can adjust those with the customize option. So when you go in there, you'll just be prompted to customize. So we select edit manually, select the room, start customization. We can adjust the suction, the water level there, and the cleaning times, again, for each individual room. So that's a look at your map settings for the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. Thanks for watching.